Hello and welcome to this webinar of ESS BIZTOOLS on the Business Plus newsletter. The Business Plus newsletter is part of the marketing tools for an accountancy business to utilize to promote your commercial activities to small, medium enterprises, operators who are already your clients, and to prospects that you might be trying to attract to your business. The newsletter is produced each month except for January, and there are two additional editions produced in May each year, one on the federal budget as it applies to small, medium enterprises, and the second is an end-of-year tax planning checklist. So in the first instance, we'll have a look at a previous newsletter. This one was produced for the 2015 budget relating to the effect of the budget on small, medium enterprises. When a subscriber receives this newsletter, you would delete the comment there about articles supplied by ESS BIZTOOLS and the ESS BIZTOOLS logo and name, and replace those with your own so that the document is acceptable to your clients. This document was uploaded to our website at 12 noon on the day after the budget, so it was supplied within reasonable time to be distributed to clients and prospects on the afternoon after the budget was tabled. And what we've tried to do is to only incorporate within this newsletter information that is pertinent to small, medium business operators. So obviously we were looking at the key issues that could change small business operations, that were going to apply immediately from budget night and others from the 1st of July 2015. And then we looked at some of the future activity, 1st of July 2016, changes that were announced to primary producers, superannuation, the rates that apply for various items in the next couple of years, government grant funding that was announced in the budget, and some employment initiatives. So that's how that document is prepared and forwarded to clients who can badge and send it to their clients. And obviously the logo at the end can also be removed, and you would insert your own logo. If we go back to the previous issue, we will find a normal monthly edition of Business Plus. Once again, you'd remove the article supplied by ESS BIZTOOLS. We always have an editorial article, and this one was headed Economy with Problems. And then we looked at developing a living business plan. Fringe benefit tax lodgements were due at around that time. Looked at some portfolio allocations. So the general articles that are included are articles targeted at small, medium enterprises. There's not much on taxation because small, medium enterprise operators tell us that they're not looking to receive taxation articles in a newsletter from their accountants. That's what their accountants are there to advise them on, and therefore be aware of the taxation issues. So we only include taxation issues that are very important for a small medium enterprise operator. This information under the heading Attention Accountants is included, pardon me, to give a user some reference material to use if they wish to read some additional information, which is there to back up the article that has been reported in the newsletter. So if you wanted to know more about who is your salesperson, you could read that article so that when you're talking to your client or prospect, you are well briefed on the subject. So that's how the newsletters work. We'll go back now to the May issue. The editorial here was called Steady at 2%, obviously referring to the Reserve Bank Board's decision. At ESS BIZTOOLS, we've been producing these newsletters for over 7.5 years. We keep on varying the subjects. This one's looking at managing change. Leadership is critical for culture. Directors' responsibilities. Risk management strategies. Government grants for SMEs, looking at the new Industry Skills Fund grants, which are available for all industries. There is some preference for the so-called priority industries, but other industries can apply, and there's special benefits there for micro businesses, which are defined as a business having less than 4 full-time equivalent employees. They get 75% of their costs for a specific skills development program that's been approved by the Department of Education. And small businesses up to 19 full-time equivalent employees can get a grant of 66%. The government has also announced a scheme for training for employment scholarships, which applies in some outer metropolitan areas and some regional areas of Australia, and that is mentioned in the newsletter. And there is a summary of the particular locations that have been targeted by the government. And there's a short article on taxation. And once again, there is the reference material of additional information that you might like to read before communicating with a client or responding to a client query as to what is meant by a particular comment in the newsletter, or a client looking for some additional information on the subject matter. On the site, you can access previous issues of the newsletter, going back to issue 94, which was some time ago, and you could utilize any of the information contained in any of the newsletters that are listed on the site. If you wanted access to a newsletter that we produced prior to these dates, then you could contact us and we would find that article for you. So I'm just bringing up issue number 94, which was back in August 2013. So the newsletter is prepared and uploaded to our website on the second Friday of a month by 12 noon. And we then advise our subscribers that the newsletter is available for you to badge it and send it to your clients and prospects. The advice on end-of-year tax planning newsletter is normally released on the last Friday in May at 12 noon and is available for our clients to badge and utilise with your clients and prospects. So that's a summary of the ESS BIZTOOLS Business Plus newsletter. We believe the newsletter significantly assists accountants and advisors to promote a range of, in the main, non-compliance services to your clients and prospects. Virtually every article invites the client or prospect to take some action, to contact you to get further information, or to have you to undertake a particular review of their business operations. It might be a business health check, it might be to prepare a business plan, it might be to review and their debtors position because they've got a very high debtors days outstanding figure, or it might be to conduct a personal property securities register due diligence review applicable to their particular business. Or it can be any one of hundreds of other items that generally fall under the category of business advisory services. The client newsletter Business Plus is included within the subscription level for the ESS BIZTOOLS Gold package. So it's included in the Gold package, it's included in the Silver package, it's included in the Bronze package. So if you're subscribing to any one of those three packages, you don't have to pay any further subscription. There is a Business Plus only package, the 13 issues, that is available for a subscription of $550 plus GST to obtain the 13 Business Plus articles, newsletters that are produced each year. If you would like to find out more information about the Business Plus newsletter, please don't hesitate to contact us, peter@essbiztools.com.au, or by making a telephone call to 0747 24 118. Thank you for listening to this video on the ESS BIZTOOLS Business Plus newsletter, a unique way to market accountancy services to the small, medium enterprise clients. Goodbye.